Welcome to the Sampling Protocol Field Input tutorial. This is Ashley
and Chaz
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial will walk you through how to input sampling data in the field view.
To input data in Field View, you will need to open a site and select the Log tab. Under the Log tab in the Site window, select New. The Generate Protocol window will open. Choose the correct protocol from the drop-down menu. Then select Generate Protocol. Highlight the new event, then select Open. If you have multiple forms, tabs may separate the events. For example, cover and frequency are recorded at discrete intervals, whereas shrub cover is recorded as a continuous measurement. To move between the forms, click on the tab you wish to use. You can also have multiple events on a form, such as point ground cover and nested frequency. Each event may have multiple input options depending on the protocol. When moving from nest to nest, the appropriate plot must be selected when entering data.
In the plant species frame of the field view, plant names can be listed as code, common name, or species name by selecting the Change Label button. The plant names can be listed alphabetically in any of the name types by selecting the Sort button. Site species is a list of species that has been found at that site during a previous sampling event. Checking the Site Species box brings up this list. Predetermined species lists can also be added in the plant species frame. These lists are established ahead of time. Please see the Plant Species Input List tutorial for more information. You can toggle from list to list, but only one can be selected at a time during data input. To add a new species, click on any empty box in the plant species frame. This will bring up the Select Species window, where you can search for and select the desired species.
To input the desired species or ground cover into the selected event, click on the name of the item you want to add to the form. The selected item will be listed in the selected event frame. If you accidentally select the wrong item, click the name again to remove the data input.
If a misidentified or unknown species occurs during the course of data input, in the plant species frame, you can long press or right-click on the species that needs to be changed. The Change Species menu will appear. Click the menu and the Select Species window will open. In this window, select the desired species. The species will only be changed in the Current Form tab. If you have multiple form tabs, you must repeat this process for each tab. If you have other events which you want to make the same change to, you must make that change by opening and editing those events.
As you are entering data, VGS automatically saves data as you go. There is no Save button. Once you are done collecting data, click Close. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For user support, please contact the VGS Dev team at vgs.arizona.edu.